Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I want to talk about the health benefits of neem leaves. This is the leaves. It's popularly called dogoyaro. If you're from Nigeria, that is what it's known for. This leaf is very powerful for any kind of sickness, from your sugar level, that's diabetes, for ulcer patients, for people with mouth odor, for people with toothache, for people with skin infection, for people with ulcer, stomach ulcer, for people that find it difficult to go to toilet, for people with hookworm, any kind of stomach worm, just name it. The herb is very powerful. It helps to reduce your high blood pressure if you use it the right way. It is used to heal any kind of wound, be it diabetic wound, maybe accident wound, any kind of physical wound. People that battle with hair lice, this lice on your hair, you can use this leaf, this neem leaf, to get rid of it. People that find it difficult to conceive, you can use this for fertility to increase your ovulation. If you always lose appetite, you can use this to increase your appetite. There are people that find it difficult to eat. They have to be on blood tablets, appetizers before they can eat. But with this leaf, by the grace of God, if you follow the instructions I am going to give, you find yourself eating more than the way you used to eat. For people with diabetes, let me start with them. There are people, their only sickness in this world is diabetes. Their sugar keep rising above the normal range. Somebody will be checking his or her sugar to running 300, 400, 2 something. All these things, it can kill. When your sugar is too high, it can kill. It can cause stroke. It can cause so many sicknesses in your body. Even people with heart disease, you can use this herb to cure it. So for people with diabetes, what you need to do is to get this neem leaf, wash it and boil it with clean water. Drink 1 glass of it in the morning and 1 glass of it in the evening. Please note, as you're taking this to reduce your sugar level, make sure you have your test kit to check so that you don't reduce it to minimum level, and that is another problem. So as you're drinking, keep checking. When the sugar level is okay, you stop drinking it. When it rises again, you start drinking it. But if you take it constantly, it is going to cure the diabetes. And you change your diet. The fact that you're taking neem leaf does not mean you should eat anything you see as a diabetic patient. As a diabetic patient rather. As a diabetic patient, there are food you are not supposed to eat. So you can ask your doctor to place you on diet as you take this leaf. And remember, this leaf cannot stop you for taking the English medicine you're given in the hospital. As you're taking this with your English medicine, it will help you to heal completely. So when you take this, you have to take your English medicine, take this first thing in the morning, and take your English medicine 2 hours after taking this. By the grace of God, you'll be fine. For those with ulcer, you have to take this before you eat. After eating, after having your breakfast, you take a cup of this neem leaf, and in the night after eating your dinner, you take another cup. It is going to heal that ulcer wound in your stomach, and you'll be healed completely from ulcer. Then for people with toothache, you see somebody with swollen jaw, painful teeth, then painful gum, this kind of, the pain is too severe. If you've experienced that, you don't wish your enemy that. So all you need to do, if you are battling with toothache, make the stick. This is the stick. Make it your chewing stick. Then boil this water and use it to wash your mouth. Use it to brush your mouth. Then drink a little of it, and even use some. Let some be in your mouth for like 5 minutes before you throw it away. Do this for 3 days. You will not experience that toothache again. Another thing you can use this for people that constipation. If you're battling with constipation, there are some people, before they will go to toilet, before they will go, they have to take a lot of fruits, they have to drink a whole lot of water. Some people go to toilet once in a week, which is very bad. So if you're battling with constipation, you can use this to heal it. How do you use it? In the morning, you take it before you eat, a glass cup of it. You have to boil it, let it be warm. In the evening, you do the same. You see that you start going to toilet freely without having to take drugs before you can visit the toilet. For children with strong stomach, there are some children, when you touch their stomach, they will cry. Please use this to treat it. Let the child drink it. Just half glass cup in the morning and half glass cup in the evening. Then people with physical wounds, maybe accident wounds, fire burn or fire scars, diabetes wound, that one, it hardly heals. When you have such wound, please get this neem leaf, crush it. You can use a crushing stone, a grinding stone, a blender. Add a little water, blend it, and use it to cover that wound. That's open wound. You can use plaster to hold it together. Allow the water to be there. Once the water is on that wound, it's going to dry off that wound immediately, and you get your healing fast. In the morning, you can leave the plaster. If you used plaster, leave it for 2 days. You remove it and do another one. By the grace of God, by the time you do it for like 3-4 times, you find out that wound will heal completely. And as you're putting it on the physical wound, you'll be drinking the water, the boiled one. Drink it in the morning and in the evening. Then for people with skin infection, you see somebody with patches, spots all over the body as a result of scabies, other skin diseases, eczema, ringworm, and so on and so forth. You can use this neem leaf to cure it. For people with eczema, use something like sponge or something that is a bit sharp. Use it to scrub the surface of that eczema. Then get this neem leaf and use the water. Just squeeze out the water and use it to scrub that place very well. By the grace of God, you will no longer see that spots of eczema on your face. People with skin infection, you do the same. Use it to scrub your body, then boil it and use the water to take your bath. You can use your regular soap. And when you're using this, please change your sponge. Use a new sponge for this recipe. Then for people with acnes on their face, you see somebody, the face is not looking nice, you see black spots and all that, you see sunburn, use this water to wash your face. Use the leaf to scrub the affected part of your face. You will see how your face will be shining, how your face will be glittering. This is very simple, and this leaf is accessible anywhere you are. I don't know for people in diaspora, but in Nigeria it's common. So you can order from Nigeria or check in Amazon. They may have the dry one that they have preserved. You can use the dry one for it. Okay, yes, I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you've learned something, don't forget to share. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in my next one. Bye-bye.